Good morning everyone, my name is Siddharth Chima from class 10th.
My name is Gopesh Gupta of class 11 studying in APJ school Mahavir Martundandar.
So today, one of the main problems that India is facing is of traffic. Not only India, but this has become a worldwide problem, like we see traffic in the metropolitan cities. Now, why does this happen? This happens because a consistent speed is not maintained, therefore the vehicles have to wait at the traffic signals. Now, if the traffic signal is very long, so all the vehicles get accumulated in or get congested, and this really causes traffic. So our solution to this problem is that today we have made an automatic speed adjusting car that would adjust its speed according to the traffic light. So what I mean to say is that let us just say that there are 60 seconds for the signal to turn from red to green. So, and if the car is 100 meters away, then it would automatically get the values of the distance and the value of the time, and according to this it will adjust its speed in such a way that it would cross the traffic light as the signal turns green. So what this would mean is that the vehicles would not have to wait at the traffic signals, and they would just simply pass by as the traffic light turns green. Now, I would request Gopesh to explain you the components used in this project.
Components used are Arduino Uno as a controller, NRF24L01 transceiver module for communication between traffic lights and cars, L-shaped motors, and L293D motor shield for controlling the motors.
Now, I would explain you the working of this project. So what really we want to do, we really want to do is that we would first attach a transceiver module NRF24L01 on the traffic light and one in all the vehicles. Now this would signal radio waves on a common channel. And as the range of NRF24L01 is 100 meters, so as the car would come in the range of 100 meters from the traffic light, according to this it would get the value of the distance. Now the time taken, now the traffic lights would not only send the distance but would also send the time for the traffic lights from turning from red to green, or if it's already green then the communication would not take place. Now the time along with the distance would be sent to the vehicles, and according to this they would process this, and the Arduino Uno would determine the uniform speed that the car would have to move on. Now, as it has determined this uniform speed, the Arduino Uno would order the motor shield, which would further control the motors to adjust its rotations per minute according to this. Now, once this is done, the car would move in a uniform speed, and would also have features like obstacle avoidance to make sure that no accidents takes place during the maintenance of this uniform speed. Now, once this has happened, the channel would be common. So the distance of 100 meters would be achieved by all the cars, but the time would change as it is not possible that two cars receive the same time at the same time. So due to a difference in the average speed, accidents would not take place. Another thing that I want to point out here is that because the car is moving at a uniform speed, this would ensure the best fuel efficiency, which would also mean that there is a reduction in the consumption of fossil fuels. So this would not only benefit from avoiding traffic jams, but this would also conserve the fuel, which would result in a sustainable future for the future generations as well as us. Let's talk a little about the implementation here. So what we want to do is that the transceiver modules would be placed on the traffic lights and inside the cars. This is the only component that would be needed in the cars besides some ultrasonic sensor. Now, as the traffic lights, as the cars would come in the range of this transceiver module, the data would be sent, and as this would be implemented on a larger scale and sent to maximum companies, due to this the cost of this would be reduced to almost nothing as compared to cars. The cost of the implementation of this project would not be more than 500 rupees, and due to the large manufacturing and the large scale implementation and the large manufacturing by all the companies, this would be very, very helpful in reducing the cost in even bringing it down from less than 500 rupees.
My role in this project includes idea and concept and circuit building.
My role in this project includes coding and circuit design.
Thank you.